My name is Kayode Adeleke. I'm currently the CEO of RusselSmith Nigeria Limited, based out of West Africa. RusselSmith is an integrated energy solutions company with a vision of providing sustainable, innovative technologies for the future of global energy. As an organization, RusselSmith's vision is to provide sustainable, innovative technology solutions for the future of global energy. For 3D manufacturing or additive manufacturing, it's in line with that company vision, where we're able to provide technology solutions through smart manufacturing. What we have is an opportunity to leapfrog in terms of manufacturing, especially in the Nigerian and African market, where supply chain management has been quite difficult and procuring of components across the world. We can now, for the first time, actually produce parts in country in Nigeria through this our Center of Excellence. It will be the first digital factory that would have been set up anywhere across West Africa. For additive manufacturing facility in Lagos, we are ready for business. In partnership with Roboze, we have been able to commission and set up our additive manufacturing facility, and we currently have the capacity and capability to manufacture parts locally here in Nigeria. One of the other things that we have been able to do is that we have been able to get the Nigerian Upstream Regulatory Commission to qualify and approve this technology for the Nigerian oil and gas industry. So we are ready, we have been qualified, and we are available to provide customized solutions to customers and everyday challenges they face in terms of components that cause plants and facilities to shut down or to be delayed in terms of projects just because sourcing of these parts are difficult or it takes time. The lead time is much longer than it should be. With additive manufacturing, we're able to produce in hours and days, shortening the turnaround time for customers.
By considering highly corrosive and hazardous environment of the energy sector, we know that with the help of this technology and the materials, we can provide a lot of solutions for our energy sector customers. For an example, like rotor blades or impellers or gaskets for the industry pipelines, valves, etc. And moreover, pump parts for the chemical injection systems, which is highly corrosive and highly hazardous. And these materials with the Roboze like Ultum or Carbon Peak or Carbon PA, which is having high strength and high withstanding power against the chemicals environment, corrosive environment. This really will be helpful for our customers to get a fast solutions instead of waiting for long time to deliver the parts from different parts of the world, and the transportation issues and the storage issues. We know this is very much feasible for the industry and for our supportive for our customers.
So one of the exciting things about 3D manufacturing is the ability to digitize inventory. So having a digital warehouse is a huge game changer. Gone are the days when customers will have to have huge inventory of components just because they do not want lead times to affect their productions or activity. Now you can have a digital warehouse of your components. We can digitize your inventory and have that in the cloud such that we can now print on demand as required in whatever location the customer requires it. So that's, I think that's a game changer for us. When it comes to our partnership with Roboze, one of the unique benefits and advantages of having a partnership as great as the one RusselSmith has with Roboze is the industry experience across multiple verticals. Roboze is the leading manufacturer of 3D machines. And it's not just about the machines or the printers themselves. Roboze is selling a technology. This is a technology that can change the landscape when it comes to manufacturing. Roboze has the experience. They've been in the industry for several years. And not only that, they have been part of standardization of non-metallic 3D components. So the API 20T standard is a standard that Roboze was one of the members of the committee who came up with this standardization. So it makes a whole lot of difference, especially in the kind of industries that we operate in the energy sector. So for us, that is one of the key areas, and that experience has come to play in engaging our customers. Some of the solutions we have provided to our customers today is as a result of that experience which we are bringing in country. We've been able to solve some unique problems, and we're looking forward to doing a lot more in conjunction with our partnership. Our partnership with Roboze is not just about equipment, it's about the technology. We are a true partnership, so that means that support from design to analysis to looking at specific applications for customers. We jointly look at ways to find better solutions for customers. These are great qualities that comes from Roboze. I'm not sure there are many companies out there that can boast of such partnership. Roboze stands out as the leading partner when it comes to the additive manufacturing technology. They are there to support us all day, every day. Every time they are building new technologies, new innovations, we're being carried along. As a matter of fact, feedback and that engagement, two-way engagement, helps us to come up with better solutions for customers in our industry and other industries as such.